Here we've got OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings, then find and select accounts, and as you can see, currently we are logged in with our Google account. To remove it, just mark it and click on remove account. And now confirm that you would like to delete the account with all its data by tapping on remove account. And as you can see, it is no longer here, it is no longer connected with your device. And now, if you would like to add another Google account or maybe log in for the first time, just open the settings again, go to the accounts and click on add account. And just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and then tap on Google. And here enter your email address or phone number, obviously, just whichever is connected with your Google account, and then tap on next. Now it is time to enter the password. Let me do it off the screen. And tap on next. And here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just click on I agree. And that's it. Click on accept to confirm your selection, and you've just activated Google Backup. Also, like all services connected with Google, you've added a Google account. Here it is, so you can smoothly use it. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.